asked in 2025 based on mensuration. A solid cube is painted yellow on all its faces. The cube is then cut into 60 smaller but equal pieces by making the minimum number of cuts. Which of the following statements is correct? See here, it should be cuboid, not cube. A cube you cannot cut into 60 smaller, because 60 you cannot write as cube of any side. Cube has all sides equal. Here A and A. A cube you cannot write as 60. So it should be cuboid. There is a difference between cube and cuboid. In cube all the sides are equal. In cuboid at least one side is not equal. Cuboid would look like this. Length, breadth, height. These two can be same, but this is not same to those two. At least one side is not equal to remaining two, or all are not equal. So that is cuboid. Here 60, you see, you have to write it as L into B into H. Here A into A into A cube. A cube can never be 60. So let's start with the smaller values. See, you have volume as 60. Equal piece, right? Each piece volume you take as 1 unit. So 60 pieces, 60 units. So that is length into breadth into height. So length, breadth, height. Now let's see the possibilities. Let's start with minimum values. We can say 3 into 4 into 5. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Yes, this is one possibility. Another possibility is 10 into 2 into 3. 23s are. Another possibility is 15 into 2 into 2. We can have number of such possibilities. 60 into 1 into 1. This is also one possibility. Or 30 into 2 into 1. This is also one possibility for this value 60. Now, which one should we consider? Here we should make minimum number of cuts to have 60 equal pieces. Remember, to minimize the number of cuts, the cuts should be evenly distributed among all three sides. If you have one side as 10, you need to make 9 cuts over there. Here 1 cut, here 2 cuts. 9 plus 1 plus 2. That is 12 cuts you are making here. Here more than 12. See, you have a stick like this. 2 units. To make it into 2 pieces, you have to make 1 cut, right? So 2 units, 1 cut. 3 units, 2 cuts. 10 units, 9 cuts. If you see, all the sides are nearly equal. Here you need to make 2 cuts. Here 3 cuts, here 4 cuts. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9 cuts. Minimum number of cuts you are having if you choose this option. Very, very important. So to minimize the number of cuts, all sides should be nearly equal. So this option we are choosing. So let's say this as 3, this as 4 and this as 5. Now options. The minimum number of cuts is 9. Yes, this is true. The number of smaller pieces which are not painted on any face is 6. See, inner pieces would not be painted on any face. So you need to cut 1 unit this side, 1 unit this side, 1 unit this side, 1 unit this side, 1 unit this side and 1 unit this side. So all the outer cubes will be gone. Outer pieces would be gone that are painted in yellow. And would be having inner cube which is not painted at all. And what is the volume of that cube? See, from this 3, this is 3, right? You removed this and this. 2 units you have removed. So 1. So 3 minus 2. 4 also you will remove 2 units. One left side, one right side, or one top or one bottom. So 4 minus 2. 2. 5 also you will remove 2 units. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. So this is the volume of the inner cube which is not painted on any face. So how many small pieces you can have with this cube? So 6. Yes, we can have 6 small pieces which are not painted on any face. So this is also true. It's just that inner cube volume would be 3 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 5 minus 2. That is L minus 2 into B minus 2 into H minus 2, because you have to remove 1 unit on left, 1 unit on right, 1 unit on front, 1 unit on back, 1 unit on top, 1 unit on bottom. So you are removing 2 units from every side. So 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 3. So this is 6. This is not a formula. This is common sense. Don't remember wherever it is not needed. If you want to, you can do that, but it's not needed. So both the statements are correct. Answer C.